Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki, hence Braided by Nikki. Today's tutorial will be on these fire jumbo knotless braids that I created on my 4C hair. Okay, so I start off with a fresh twist out that I've had in for about 2 days. And I'm using my favorite jam, which is Shine and Jam, obviously. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into two from ear to ear. This is to assure that I have a clear foundation of where I'm going to be braiding. So it's always the best to part your hair first to get the foundation down. I went ahead and parted the nape area into two. Don't judge me, I have breakage, it's a long story. For this part of the video, I'm just going to show you my parting foundation and how it needs to look for size jumbo braids. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm doing the same exact technique that I explained in my first video for the knotless jumbo box braids tutorial, lesson 1. So we're going to follow along. Basically, we're going to go ahead and get the strand of synthetic hair, poke it underneath the index finger, or you're basically grabbing it with your index finger. Get another strand. Go ahead and grab it underneath your index finger and continue to braid. Grab another strand, put it underneath your index finger, and continue to braid. This is called feeding the hair in. The rest of this video will be sped up. Keep watching if you want to see how I achieve this look. While you're here, subscribe to my channel.